Hello everyone, this is Robert G. Alapad and today I'll be discussing all about the principles of design in dressmaking. So guys, to achieve a good outfit, principles of design should be considered. So here are the principles of design. First, proportion. This refers to the relationship of one part of the design to the whole design. The feeling of unity is present when all parts, such as size, numbers, or amounts, relate well with one another. So meaning guys, there is a pleasing relationship of all parts of the object with one another, or has a harmonious relation of parts to each other or to the whole. So in short, proportion refers to the accordance of the design. So let me give you an example that shows proportion. Okay, take a look at the third picture. Mapapansin natin na yung magkaugnay yung design sa kulay ng pantaas niyang kasuotan, which is the color black. And aside sa magkaugnay yung kulay, nagkakaroon din ng accordance yung sizes, yung group of small sizes, group of medium sizes, and group of large sizes. Kumbaga, teneterno lang yung design sa kung ano yung kulay ng damit. The next principle is balance. So there are two types of balance: the symmetrical balance and asymmetrical balance. So let me define first the symmetrical balance. When the outfit is divided right down at the middle with both sides exactly the same. So sabi, magkapareho ang magkabilang dulo ng garment or any kinds of garment like dress or etc. So let me give you another example that shows symmetrical balance. So, okay, take a look at the first picture. Kung hahatiin natin yung dress sa gitna, yung design na nasa right side is similar doon sa design na nasa left side. So, this is an example of symmetrical balance. And next, under balance again, the what we call asymmetrical balance. So, it is opposite of symmetrical balance. Thus, if the outfit is divided right down the middle and both sides are not the same. Sasabi, hindi magkapareho yung magkabilang gilid. Okay, let me give you an example of this. Okay, take a look at the second picture. So, yung nasa right side, meron siyang sleeve. Yung nasa left side naman ay wala. So, this is an example of asymmetrical balance. Another principle is harmony. It is the unity of all the principles that overall look of a garment which creates a sense of completeness. So, meaning the structural lines, decorative lines, colors, and accessories all relate to each other comfortably. In short, harmony is a blending of all components of design. So, pinagsama-sama na dito yung elements of design and these principles of design. So, let me give an example of this. Okay, take a look at the fifth picture. So, makikita natin, no, smooth lang yung design and very clean sa mata. The designs are the black and white triangles. And the next principle is emphasis. This refers to the center of interest of a garment. An evening gown with a huge flower or a bonnet is a good example. So, meaning emphasis is a pleasing design has one part that is more interesting than any other. So, in short, this is the center of interest or center of attraction sa isang sa isang clothes or sa isang garment. Okay, let me give you an example of this. Okay, take a look at the fourth picture. Makikita natin yung mata natin. So, pakakita pa lang natin dun sa kasuotan, yung mapapansin na ng mata natin is yung kulay green, yung belt, yung nagsisilbing belt sa kanyang kasuotan. So, that is what we call emphasis. Doon mismo nakafocus agad yung ating mata. So, kumbaga highlighted siya. Doon tayo unang titingin. So that what we call emphasis. The next principle is rhythm. This is the smooth flow and repeated use of lines, texture, color, shape, and pattern. So, rhythm is detected through the following. A repetition. This is achieved by regular recurrence of the motifs of design, shape, buttons, and pleats. So, when the root word repeat, so this is an example of repetition. So, take a look at the sixth picture. Makikita natin na ang design niya is a line, a reed line. And yung earrings is magkakulay dun sa mismong design ng dress. And that's what we call repetition. The next one is progression. This is also termed as gradation, which means the gradual increase or decrease of the same elements of the design. So, gradation is a gradual change in color or size. So, let me give you an example. So, take a look at the seventh picture. So, makikita natin yung part na nasa boobs niya, yung kulay is very black. Then, pagdating dun sa middle, nagiging lighter na yung kulay niya. So, hindi na siya gaanong maitim. And nung pumunta na sa baba, nag-fade din yung kulay niya, nagiging white na siya. So that is what do you call it? That is gradation. And aside sa kulay, nagbabago din yung size. So mula sa itaas, maliit, tapos nung pumunta na siya sa baba, medyo malaki na yung size ng kanyang gown. And next is transition. This is created when the eye is directed from one element to another. Letter D, radiation. This is created when the eye is directed to different directions. And lastly, the continuous line movement. This is type of rhythm is made when the eye moves in continuous lines such as flowing lines of trims, bands of colored designs of fabric. So that would be all for this video, and I hope you have learned a lot about the principles of design. And again, I am Robert Alapad, a BA student of Block 204, and thank you for watching.